Buddhism is one of the world's oldest religions. This stone relief from ancient Gandhara, which was located in present-day Pakistan and Afghanistan, is an example of Buddhist art that dates to the 2nd century CE. The center of this relief features a woman, a queen by the name of Maya, standing with her legs crossed and clutching the branches of a tree as she gives birth to a young child from her side. Who is Queen Maya? Who is she giving birth to? And what does this scene have to do with Buddhism? This scene represents one of the most important moments in the historical Buddha's life, his birth. The historical Buddha is also known as Buddha Shakyamuni and Gautama Buddha. This is because he was born as Prince Siddhartha Gautama of the Shakya clan. He had a miraculous birth circa 600 BCE. His mother, Queen Maya, is said to have given birth to the Buddha from her right side while holding a branch of a tree in Lumbini, which is located in present-day Nepal. In this scene, do you notice how Queen Maya is the largest figure? This draws our attention to her and helps us, the viewers, understand she is the most important person. She is flanked to either side by attendants. On the left, Indra, a god in the Hindu religion, another important faith in ancient India, holds a cloth to swaddle Prince Siddhartha. The prince is represented as a young child with a top knot or protuberance on top of his skull and a round disc around his head. The top knot is called an Ushnisha in Sanskrit and is one of Buddha's 32 lakshana, or special marks. It refers to his supreme wisdom and spiritual attainment. The disc around his head is a halo, signifying that he is an important spiritual figure. Why is Prince Siddhartha represented as a young boy and not as a newborn baby? According to Buddhist legend, right after Prince Siddhartha was born, he stood up, took 7 steps, and pronounced, "I am born to be enlightened for the well-being of the world. This is my last birth." Brahmins, or priests, that were present at the birth noticed he had special marks on his body, like the Ushnisha, and declared a prophecy or a prediction that he would either become a universal king or the perfectly enlightened one. He eventually became a Buddha, which means enlightened in Sanskrit, and the prophecy was fulfilled. This relief originally decorated a monumental stupa. A stupa is a reliquary mound or an architectural monument that contains a sacred relic in Buddhism. A relic is a special religious object like a pinky bone of a religious leader or something special they owned or touched. Stupa reliefs like this one were didactic, meaning they were used to teach followers about the Buddhist religion, especially the life of the Buddha Shakyamuni.